I believe this is what they call runner's high. Semi-5 hard, day 36, longest run yet for the marathon prep and a pool day. Let's get busy. Yes. So today we are doing the longest run yet, as I said, on the marathon training block. We are literally 6 weeks out. I'm not going to lie, I got my timing confused. I thought it was 7 weeks out, but we are 6 weeks out. We are fueling up. We've got a big bowl of protein oats with banana. Can't really get it right. There we go. Banana, berries, honey, protein and oats, about 60-70 G in there. So we're fueling up properly. And yeah, we're going to go for 25 kilometers today. And we're also doing a pool session before, so that'll be the 2 workouts. But yeah, legs are feeling a little bit tight from football on Saturday, so that's not good. But long runs are all right, you know. It's one of them where you just get it done. It's not like I'm not going to be going at marathon pace. I'm not going to be sprinting. I'm just going to be getting some miles in the legs, as they say. So yeah, going to be a productive start to our Monday. Going to bosh out some work now, and obviously go for the gym session later on, just before the run. And then yeah, Food is going to be fuel today. That's all I will say. So that's why we're having a bowl of oats. I wanted to just get, you know, on that cut straight away and just have some eggs with avocado, because I never feel hungry after that. But I know today, with breakfast like that, with a long run, appetite is going to be through the roof. So it's going to be a test, but that's what 75 hard is about. It's all about the mental as well as the physical. So anyway, breakfast. Little taste test. Lovely. Can't go wrong. Cannot go wrong with protein oats on a long run day in the morning. And of course, as an Italian man, you know what's about to come up on the screen. A lovely little double espresso as well. Beautiful. Lovely stuff, lad. Post-gym scran / pre-run scran. Very carb heavy. Very carb heavy. Gym done. Didn't really record much today. Not gonna lie, I was just in one of them moods where you just want to get in, get out and get it done. But it was a pool day. Same old pool day. Started off with rows. Then we did pull-ups. And we did... oh word, what did we even do? Oh, I did another type of row, and then a lat pull down, face pulls, and ended with hammer curl 21s. And now we are back, and we are refueling before the long run, which is the main event today. 2 slices of sourdough with honey, and we've got Greek yogurt, bananas, chopped dates, and honey as well there. So light on the protein, heavy on the carbs. So not a fat loss diet today, more of an athlete fuel-focused diet, but we are running 25k, so we're definitely going to be in a fat, hefty deficit after that anyway. So refuel going down before the run. Remember, plenty of carbs, light bit of protein to still replenish those stores and repair your muscles, especially if you do a little gym session before a long run, which I don't know if many of you do, but if you do, make sure you do have a little bit of protein, but keep it light on the fats and the fiber before your long run. But that is it. Run in 2 hours, so I don't know what to say, to be honest, but sun is shining, so that's all I can say. But I'm not looking forward to it, to be honest. And we are off. We've got our little nasal strip on today as well. We'll see how long this one lasts, but longest run yet, 25k. Let's fucking have it. Excuse my French, but I need to get in the zone. Got a podcast in my ears and I'm ready. We'll see. Compare the difference from now to the end of this run, but we'll see how the ankles hold up, see how the heels hold up.
but I can feel them already, the heels, but that's always the case. But by the end of this run, they'll be used to it and they'll be knackered tomorrow. But anyway, 25k, longest run yet in the marathon training block. I'll see you throughout this run. No, this is actually what it is about. Honestly, just hit 5k and just look at this, man. And you're telling me that you'd rather stay indoors and go play FIFA flipping Ultimate Team or something like that? Come on, man. Go up, get outside, get outdoors, get the endorphins, the dopamine. That's what makes you feel good. Not packing bloody Mbappe or something. Like, bro, come on. Everyone, get outdoors. Get moving your body. And honestly, straight away, you will feel 10 out of 10. Like, today's been an alright start to the week, but could have been better. But literally, step outdoors and within minutes of being in nature, being surrounded by this, running, like, it's just mad. Get yourself outside, get moving. Anyway, 5k in, give me one more k and I'll smash out one of these naked bars. But wow, look at that background, man. Just look at it, take it in. Come on, get yourself outside in the sun while we've got it, in nature. Beautiful. I even just seen a couple sheep and that. Thought I was back in Wales. Lads come down from Snowdon and all that. Nice, lovely stuff. This is the perfect weather for a little run. Woo! 8.5k in, feeling alright. Left glute and left hammy is very tight, but to be honest, I think it's time to whack out one of these bad boys. I got 4 of these naked Bakewell tarts ready to refuel me up when I need it. God, trying to make me look like a peacock or something. But little bit of refueling, about 8.5k in. Should have done it a bit sooner, but I weren't really feeling it. So to go for it now. Let's fucking have it. Wow, we are really out in the sticks. But I thought I'd give you a little, I think I'm going the wrong way. I thought I'd give you a little taste test of this Bakewell tart naked. First time I had it. Best thing about it is literally pure natural ingredients. Dates, almonds, cashews. I can't even remember, to be honest, but ingredients is on the back. And I have it. Oh my word. Wow. That actually tastes like a Bakewell tart. Oh my word. And I got 3 more of them bad boys. Oh my. Anyone who knows me knows my sweet tooth right now. Woo! Flying. Now I'm about to hit a PB. Wow. 15k in, I think I've had an absolute stinker. I've just been running downhill and I thought, I'll keep running until I got to turn around. Yeah, that hill was long. Yeah, that hill was mad. And now I gotta go and run back up that for the last 10k. But I got my coconut water as always. So let's keep it going. Last 10k, coconut water fueled. And also we've got 3 more of them Bakewell tart bars, which I'm gonna need big time. We've got the country blasting in the ears now. No more podcast. We needed the motivation. So, whew, last 10k, let's get busy. 15k, 2 bars down the hatch. Let's have it. 10 more k. Push. Had to do a little detour into the old Planet Organic. Never been in here before. Absolute madness is in here. Madeline. Yeah, I had to stop off at Planet Organic. I've never been in one of them gaffs, but that is a bit of me. And they got some mad things in there. Anyway, I was looking for energy gels, but they didn't have them. So I come out with something called What a Date. What a name that is, by the way. But it's a date with an orange peel. So I'm gonna have that next because I've got about 8k left, I think. My legs are feeling it. What a date. You better save me, lad. I'm fed up of these hills. Jesus. Every single run that I go on has a fat ass hill. You know when they say like running is more of a mind thing rather than a body thing? I'll tell you what, it's definitely a leg thing today, because these hammies, whoo, I'm in desperate need of a sports massage to release them. I feel like I'm carrying 2 trucks on the bottom of my body. We'll get it done though. Woo, woo, woo. I'm exactly where I love being. I'm in that pain cave, baby. We are about 20k in, 5k running down a hill, thankfully. But feet are hurting, calves are cramping, hammies are tight, everything is against me. Odds are stacked against me. But you know what? I absolutely love it when the odds are against me. And I will make sure that I finish this run no matter what. Get home, roll out the hills, and we'll be back as normal tomorrow. But listen, enough of me. More motivational me to come now. So I can't even speak, I'm running. But listen, it's been a long run. My brain has been wandering and it's late at night. So I'm gonna give you some motivational life wisdom. My mum always says to me, you know what, you should be a motivational speaker or a grief counsellor, something like that. So listen, I'm gonna give you some gems here right now, just off the top of my head. Anyway, listen, what I've realised recently, is that everything really does happen for you and not to you. And if you go into this world with, anger and that victim mindset that, why have I not got a missus? Why am I not making money? Why am I not in the best shape of my life? Well, there's a way you can go about this. Listen, if you say to yourself, I will have a successful business. I will, eat healthy today. I will hit the gym. There's actually a thing called cognitive dissonance, and that's between the words that you're saying and the actions that are happening. So instead, what I've learned recently is ask yourself the question, will I make 10k this month? Will I get into the best shape of my life? Will I eat more fibre today? And when you ask yourself these things, you're actually going to answer them with either yes or no. Try and make them yes or no as well. But that's just a little gem to use, because when you start asking yourself these questions, you're going to start putting the actions in that are going to get the rewards that you want, basically, or do the things that you want, rather than saying I will, and then not doing it. But yeah, what I really want to say is, listen, long story short, tomorrow isn't promised. It's never promised. Never get comfy in life. Never get comfy not saying I love you to the people that you love. Never get comfy with the situation that you're in, because tomorrow you can wake up, it could be all gone. So the mentality that I want you to take in to life going forward is that, okay, if I don't wake up tomorrow, what have I done today and last week and whenever it is leading up to now that I'm genuinely proud of, and that I know I gave it my all. I did everything I could. I did everything I could for myself, for those around me, to not be in the position that I was ended up in. And that's all you can do. When you start comparing and doing all these things, oh, I didn't make 20k today, I didn't get that Ferrari. Who gives a shit? Honestly, I don't swear often, that's how you know I'm passionate about this. Listen, live your life with life of purpose and fulfillment, and every single day try and be better about yourself, and you'll live a much more fulfilled and happy life. Forget the materialistic stuff, forget that, that's not what matters. What matters is one thing that I heard Alex Hormozy say is, one day you'll be able to tell your own story, and that's all you can do. Wow, endurance running, different ball game. 23.5k in, and we're probably about 2.5-3 kilometers from home. Pace has gone a lot slower. Hammies are really, really hurting. Had to stop, stretch them out, but they are really killing. But we'll get it done, and I can't wait for grub. I'll be honest, I'm absolutely Hank Marvin. But either way, miles in the length, miles in the lengths, miles in the legs. Look, can't even speak. We've taken the earphones out. We're going pure demon mode for this last 2.5, 3k. Sun is setting, it's getting dark. That's what you call a proper midweek long run. Honestly, that is 1-0 long run. Oh, it's so dark as well. I have to walk backwards. That will help the knees out. Everything hurts. Heels, hammies, quads. I've got football training tomorrow. And legs tomorrow. Oh, yeah. That was not good fun. But 25k in the tank. We will take it. We will take that. I am 4 naked bars down, 1 date filled with orange peel. I don't even know what that means, but it actually tasted really nice. Yeah, so running on pure carbs and fruit sugars right now. Oh, I'll catch you in a bit because it's very dark, so I'll record the summary when I'm eating dinner. Wow, that's all I have to say after that. Whew, that was tough. That was tough. I don't know what is going on, but that was tough. Honestly, the marathon felt easier than that. I'm definitely going to need a good set of training for the next 5 weeks, for sure. For sure. Obviously, it doesn't help, doing it on your own. No atmosphere. I haven't got gels yet. All of this stuff. But still, my calves felt tight. My hammies felt tight. Yeah, just didn't feel like normal. So definitely going to up the intensity, up the training block. Obviously, I guess training twice a day leading up to it is obviously not, recovery-wise. But to be fair, I was training pretty much like that in my last marathon. So it's not an excuse. It's just getting used to it again and getting used to marathon running because it's completely different to football running. And that's fine. I'm absolutely buzzing for the challenge and getting into this big training block. So that was 25.5k boxed off. Next week we'll aim for about 28k. So yeah, the long runs are coming thick and fast. We absolutely love to see it. But in terms of that, yeah, wasn't easy. It was about a 6.4k pace, I believe, off the top of my head. I might have got that wrong. It might have been a bit quicker, or just above 6-minute pace even. Anyway, yeah, we're gone for a good couple 2.5 hours there. But yeah, lovely stuff. A long run boxed off to start the week, and have a look at this post-run scran. Now, chocolate milk. If you haven't started it, get on it. That is literally just milk and cacao powder. And then here, look at this bad boy, creamy salmon pasta. See, I'm not the biggest fish fan, but smoked salmon I can do. I don't know why, but yeah. And this was proper good scran. I'm not gonna lie, I've already had a bit, courtesy of Mumsy. Beautiful. Then, listen, we're in the wars, but we've got the old, I'm going to show my feet to you. Got the old ice water bottle to roll out the plantar. We've also got the little dicey massage ball. And we've also got the massage gun. So we are doing up recovery to a T, food-wise, massage-wise, and all that. Yeah, long day, long run, but we love to see it. And it's another day successful on this old 75 hard journey. Listen, I want to make these vlogs as interesting as possible. So if there's anything that you want to see more of, let me know in the comments. Aside from that, tomorrow we have legs and football training. So I will try and get as many clips from football training again. And aside from that, like, comment, subscribe. Hope you're enjoying this journey. Let me know if you are. Let me know what you want to see more of. And other than that, see you tomorrow.